wait, wait. Go try.
Hey, what's up guys? I'm Johnny Mariga.
And I'm Lauren.
This is Loki and Whiskey. Alright, so today we're gonna show you guys, we're gonna feed the dogs. So usually we are here trying different foods and trying different recipes and stuff. Today they're gonna do it. But before we go ahead and watch this video, make sure that if you're gonna feed any of these dogs, it's good for them. Anything we're feeding them, it's already search and research. So before we go and comment below, do not give this to your dog, do not give that. Just make sure your dog not gonna have any problem on their diet or anything. You really want this, no?
Ooh.
Alright, Loki.
You wanna try?
You ready?
Sit, 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 sit.
Come there.
You ready? Wait.
Wait.
Wait. Whiskey, here. Ah, those are peaches. Apparently one of them likes peaches.
Come on, Whiskey. Come here.
Whiskey, you want the carrot? Come here. Come here. Good. Sit. Sit. So this, wait. Wait. Huh? Sit. This is a cooked carrot. Wait. Wait. Wait.
Wait. Wait.
Okay.
Good boy.
Whiskey didn't, he just put it on the ground and licked it. Is he eating it?
Yes, he's licking first.
Wait.
Well, now he's eating.
No, sit. Who wants a raw carrot? Wait, 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 wait. Ew, that was not good.
Why his wasn't good, but Louis was good.
Who wants a cucumber? Sit, sit. Loki, sit, sit, sit. Good boy. Wait, 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 wait.
High
wait.
five.
Wait.
That's
High five. Good job. Wait, wait. Go get it. Why? Whiskey doesn't even care. Messy dog. You get too close. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Good job. I don't think he likes it. He just spit it all out. Who wants some broccoli? Over here. Here. Wait, wait, wait. Come here. There. Get Whiskey. I don't think he likes it. Sit. Loki. Loki, don't. Wait. Sit. Sit. Wait. 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 Okay, they like cooked broccoli. Oh.
We're gonna give a chance for Whiskey to try.
I know. Who wants a banana? Sit. Good job. Wait. 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 Go get the banana. Ooh.
Always try to go to Whiskey's to see if he
Whiskey's is way better than his apparently. Ew.
Is that yummy?
Do you guys like nectarines?
Whiskey don't like anything.
How about a mango?
Or at least he won't try anything.
Mango.
Throw that food in there first.
Sit. Ah! Sit. Whiskey, sit. Wait. 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 Go try. No thanks.
Is all gone? So we also bring the dogs to escape. One is easier than the other one though. Oh, Loki. Slow, slow, slow. Loki, Loki, look. He came after the iguanas. He saw a bunch of iguanas here. I'm glad he didn't jump on the water. Come on, let's go. Let's go, come on. Come, buddy. I know you want to play with the iguanas. Come on, let's go. Good boy. Hi, Loki. Hi, Loki. Alright, so I guess Loki is a little bit like me in eating part. He gonna eat or try anything. Whisk is a little bit more like Lauren. Now
He won't even try it.
Now she started trying and going a little more for different things, but usually she didn't used to. Well, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
So you can see more of our cute doggies.
And we're gonna show. And if you have any other ideas that we can do or film with the dogs, just let us know. Comment below.
This was a rough video. Our dogs are not super obedient when it comes to food.
Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next video. Yeah.